Usisi okhuluma kule video ukhala ngokuthi bamkidnapper eCarnival Mall wabesecela-ke usizo emaphoyiseni kodwa akazange zimsize. Uthi nakuba waphunyuka kodwa kubuhlungu kakhulu ukuthi uyazi ukuthi laba bantu bakuphi nendawo kodwa amaphoyisa namanje awafuni ukumsiza.
Okay, so I'm currently in hospital and I'm getting the help that I need. So what happened was that so there's a bit of like distraction. So on Friday the 13th, I left work at around 3 and Nihaman was still low, so we left club. So then she dropped me off where like she usually drops me off really. In 17 there's like a passage and then we cross out and then we cross in the mall. So then man crossela emoli before like I got konhlisa before I even like crossed gavela umuntu wangikhomba ngesibhamu wathi ke mungamemezi or I'm gonna shoot you. I was like okay, wangithatha lo muntu lona wangiphonsela esigangeni maqeda ukumphonsela esigangeni wathi ngicela imali yakho yonke and I said to him okay, I gave him the 1,800 that I had. Was him let's phone and I said to him I don't have a phone and he said unamang. He then searched my bag what's the phone wangitshela ukuthi ngimhotspot ngamhotspotter mangiceda kumhotspotter wathi ngimhotspote mangiceda kumhotspotter mangiceda kumhotspotter wathi ngivula ama banking apps wami. I've opened the banking app Yami. I only have 850 in my account. And he was like, no, you're lying. My savings went to my savings, he transferred all the money, my savings. So it kept me taking. I have a daily limit of 5,000. Sendele like ngama cash sends. So I'm to make cash send your Ghana, which was 3,000. I'm to make cash send your 2, which was 2,000. I'm not sure. Malakona like if you get if you go 5,000. So I still could see this guy. I'm leaving. He just wanted my money. That guy didn't want my money. He wanted to kidnap me, human traffic me. He wanted to rape me. Mase ngiceda ukumthumela imali ngiyamhotspota nawo ngefoni yami uthumela kuya the guy uphethe nomese uhambisa la intameni yami. And then what happened was that he then communicated nalabantu labo wathi XO athumela like a whole lot of people XO I found her. Oh, that's when I realized that actually serious nabale lo muntu lona angikhame vele athi angikhama ngimkhahlele awelele like I thought ngizama uku-escape vele. The first time I escaped I couldn't remember. I'm gymming ngiyajima mina, my body is sore so I couldn't run. Angithole vele angihudule angifase ngeintambo zakhe I wasn't crying, I wasn't panicking, I was in my right state of mind. Ukuthuka bengithukile but ukhala bengakhali. Ngazihlapula leza intambo leza. I don't know where I got the strength. Ngazihlapula le intambo leza endlini. But ngijwayela kabi wakhipha lo mese wakhipha lesibhamu wathi yabo simele imoto manje, if you don't cooperate I'm gonna shoot you and I'm gonna kill you. So then what happened was that uthextana nabantu lapha connecting to my Wi-Fi. Yabatext yabatshela ukuthi ngimphethe sheshisana, the car must come, this person is fighting. So that day I wasn't feeling well. So bengigcoke kakhulu, like I was just wearing a lot. Bengigcoke tights, bengigcoke amagusha, like bengigcoke kakhulu. So he tried raping me. He touched me in ways that he tried raping me, but he couldn't rape me because I was wearing a lot of clothes. So and I was sitting like my body for some odd reason just became hard, and it became hard for him to take off my clothes. Okay, ngaphunyuka futhi mangiphunyuka nithi ngiyagijima wangithola futhi lo muntu lo wangihudunya besilwa mina naye shayana, and I said to him, lalela bhuti, two things are gonna happen. It's either you are gonna die or sizofa situ, but I'm not dying alone. I escaped again. I tried to escape again. Okay, and I was like, you know what, let me just be calm. Let me just be calm and born. What's gonna happen? I offered him my lunch because then there's cafetini. I was like to him, dude, I didn't eat the whole day. I see his captain's up. He was like, no, since captain's up, shut up right now. Hey guys, I'm crying. I'm not crying. Then what happened? And the car is now coming, it's approaching, because he's talking to this guy with his sister when he saw he's just, yo guys. That's when I started praying. 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 I prayed, and he was like, hey guys. And then, mind you, at that time, I can't move, I can't do anything. I don't know, but by the grace of God, but on my hands, obviously. In such a way that you would see like I took that break. I'm Shayala. He got a bit unconscious. The car was already there. He got a bit unconscious. I know you're not in his mind, so I can't do anything. He then like he's going like sideways because he's calling the car by the grace of God. I ran, and I was not like running towards the mall because the car was there, right? I ran towards the N17. That's where I cried. And by the time he realized, I am gone, it was already too late for him to either shoot or to even catch me because of the distance. I was bleeding in Lomeni. Like, I was just amazed. I was just amazed. I tried stopping cars. I stopped cars. No car wouldn't want to stop. Let's not stop by Leza Montoleza. Ganduli taxi. The taxi lady, bang bamba. Yami taxi, bang bamba. They called my mom. And when all this was happening, my mom was like at the other side of the mall because she's waiting for me. And she tried calling me, but Maram phone a lot before. So I was almost human trafficked. I was almost raped. I was kidnapped. Gabalega. Guys, the police failed me. Like, I'm a person I'm failing. They still failing me even now. This guy, okay, Magabona Wooting Balegile. I had escaped. Bahamba. Guys, I'm a person I'm failing. Like, I'm a person I'm failing. Like, the police failed me. They failed me dismally because my mom was just like a minute away from me. When she had found me, we called amaphoyisa ukuthi baze, but they didn't come. Basitshela ukuthi abanamoto. Imagine, basitshela ukuthi abanamoto. And as I was tracking ifoni yami, bebasibonisa ukuthi labantu baya kuphi, bayenzani, amaphoyisa awafikanga. As I speak right now, I know where these people are. I know where my phone is. This thing happened on Friday. Amaphoyisa awakafoneli till today. The police haven't said anything. They didn't come on Friday. Masibafonela basitshela ukuthi abanamoto. Shuthi, like, kumele kuze kufe umuntu. Like, what must happen? Should I be a child of a minister? Should only for them to act? Only if amaphoyisa bewafikile at that time. Kube sibatholile labantu.